Software Lab 1, where you'll be taking some of your computer software courses. And over here is a maze where you'll be taking a course called Multidisciplinary Project, where a group of students will develop a robotic system which will navigate through the maze using sensors and motors. So fun fact is that this lab became my home when I was taking multidisciplinary projects. So we used to come here almost every day to finish and participate in it's almost like a competition, and it was a really fun mod to take. And so this is where I lived for the whole semester.